Kynhun Myntri jong Sorkar Jylla ha khat phra tarik Risaw kala shong pyrkhat ban Kren halor ki tylli ki mat ban Pyntreikam ha Jylla. Hadien bladep ka jinglang ka nongaiktien jong Sorkar ka Kong Ampreen Lyndoh kala ong ba Kynhun Myntri ka mynjuri ki tylli ki mat ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act but ka USTM Medical College. Haba Kren ladpathai Khubor ka Kong Ampreen Lyndoh kala ong halor ka Mrssa na liang ka Kynhun Myntri kala mynjur ban sdang ban pyntyllun nongaiktien bat mang pisa arlak tingka na kabentaman ki district kat kum ka jingdan kam jongki. Hakabaya day baka USTM Medical College ka Kong Ampreen kalayatho bala Buh Teng ban Plie ka USTM Medical College namar 4 don ki an ki pabiang.
Simply an anticipated scenario. We as a government would not like to comment on anticipated scenarios of another state. We will face these problems. We will take a decision when these problems come to us. Right now, it would be futile for us to imagine that such a scenario will also happen.
But Mrssa
has its own guideline, which does not affect citizenship, if I am correct. So why are we confusing the two? We have already been given certain mandated observations by the Supreme Court also on this matter. And hence we have taken cognizance of all the advisories given to the state. Hence you see the MRSSA that is now being proposed and enacted is enacted after consideration of all of those observations.
So under this provision, you require funding, say perhaps for laptops, for computers, for internet facilities. Then the district task force has non-official members also who have to be given sitting fees, TADA and other such requirements. Many headmen in fact have been asking for laptops and computers so that they can enter the database of landlord and tenants in their own locality. As you are aware, many localities in Shillong city have started on a pilot way to start implementing the MRSSA by entering the details of landlord and tenants in their own jurisdiction. However, they are facing difficulty because it's an online database. Why online? Because it has to be accessed by the police and by the district task force. That's why this online database was created in a portal. So to make it more active and to ensure that this act is implemented in the right spirit as per the mandate of the act, the government has come up with a scheme, as Madam mentioned, where 2 lakhs per district task force will be given, and those districts which require more will get more. They can spend for laptops, for computers, for sitting fees of non-official members, and etc. For the purpose of implementation of MRSS.
well, ma'am, since we observation, our citizenship